So we're going to work with the strokes panel, and you may have been working around with this with the weight. So if you click on a line or you have a shape, you can up at the top change the stroke width. You can also select the strokes panel, and this is going to be the exact same thing you're about to see on the right hand side, but I think it's a little bit easier to work with the strokes panel. Okay, so over to the right, you'll have 3 little lines. Again, if you don't see any of this, go to Window, and then you can find your actual panel. These are all the panels that you can have, and you can select which ones you want. I'm just going to select stroke, and here it is. Okay, pull that one out for you. If you only see hide options, okay, this, that means you just need to show the options. So come over to the 3 lines in the upper right hand corner, click to show options, and then you have all these different selections. So first is the weight, so you can make it thicker, you can make it thinner, okay. You can, let me zoom in here for you, okay, change the caps. Okay, so right now we have a butt cap, we have a rounded cap, and then we have a projecting cap. So you can change those as well. Same thing you can do is go to corners and align strokes, but we're going to skip over that right now. Let me zoom out a bit. Okay, the next thing you can do is you can select a line, which I have here, or shape. You can do it with both because they both, if they have a stroke, so an outline. And you can click dashed line, and what that will do is that will make the line a dashed line. Now, you may see the line here, okay, but when or if we print, you won't be able to see that. Okay, I'll put this back for you. Now, with the dashed line, you can make the dash as many points as you want. So I can make this one dash 22 with a gap of 10. I mean, we'll adjust it. Okay, you could do dash 50. Okay, so that'll do every other. See how it goes? You can make all different patterns. Okay, if you simply want to have the dash gone, you just unselect the button, or excuse me, the box. Next is, just see both of these, is the arrowhead. And the cool thing about this is you have all these different arrowhead options. Okay, so if you remember when you had permission slips at school and you had to cut off the bottom to be able to go. I don't know if you guys did, but we did when we were younger, or we had to return something. This arrow was always here. But you can make arrows all different ways. So I'm going to grab this arrow and it's going to add it to the left hand side. Cool thing about this is you can scale the arrowhead, so you can make it smaller or you can make it larger, whatever you may need. And then you can go to the opposite side and change that. Okay, again, you can scale that as well. You can also then flip-flop them, okay, just by clicking this. Okay, so that is the strokes panel and all the abilities that it has.